Welcome back, everyone. Chris Drizga here with your mid-year market update for Orange County's office sector. Market conditions improved throughout the first half of the year. We have a countywide vacancy rate of 15.79% and an availability rate of 19.5%. Both of these figures represent declines over the prior year. The average rental rate is $2.77 per square foot. The average sale price is $245 per square foot, and the average cap rate is 8.3%. There were 680 lease transactions and 59 sale transactions completed in the first half. Both of these figures represent improvements in transaction volume of 6.3% year over year. There are 4 high-profile redevelopment projects underway that underscore structural trends reshaping our market. The Platinum Triangle, South Coast Metro, Newport Center, and MacArthur Court all have major transformations on the horizon that will integrate office, retail, residential, and entertainment uses. This is not only a response to a struggling office sector, but also to a critical regional need for housing. Cities like Anaheim, Santa Ana, and Newport Beach all face ambitious state-mandated housing goals, and these redevelopments offer a practical and scalable path forward. As for notable leases, Callahan Blaine leased 44,000 square feet in Irvine, Zillow renewed 60,000 square feet in Irvine, and California Edison renewed 82,000 square feet in Santa Ana. As for notable sales, John Hancock sold 5,000 Birch Street in Newport Beach for $33 million. Hyundai Glovis bought 18191 Von Karman Avenue in Irvine for $35.7 million. And H&S Ventures bought 2400 E Katella Avenue in Anaheim for $72.1 million. You can visit my website, chrisdrizga.com, for the complete reports. I appreciate you stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you here next time.